let's look at the mistakes that Pineapple Insurance are making. So first things first is I absolutely loved the brand awareness campaign that they started. So they had this massive, aggressive brand awareness campaign that they were running. Two things are certain. This is a billboard for insurance. So they were running very memeable, very tongue-in-cheek, very dry humor sort of billboards, right? You absolutely cannot claim you're the best insurance company, our lawyer. 100% innocent insurance, 0% other stuff, Pineapple today. Okay, which is all really fantastic. Then now they've moved into a lot more targeted branding, a lot more targeted ads. So for example, right now they have this one, video call your parents' forehead, 100% insurance for you. Then they also have another one, recently and vigorously taken up paddle, 100% insurance for you. So very targeted, very millennial and Gen Y focused targeting. Okay. But my problem is once you go onto Pineapple Insurance, you actually don't get the same sort of targeting or messaging. Okay. Let's have a look. So start your quote, get your quote in 90 seconds. So for me, I have a problem with get your quote in 90 seconds not being the H1. That's the first thing. Second of all, I don't know how many people are actually going to read the list. So if I'm Pineapple Insurance, what I would do is I would scroll down and actually grab what they have over here, which is insurance in 90 seconds and then claim in 30 seconds. I think that is their main value proposition, right? So insurance in 90 seconds and then claim in 30 seconds is what should actually be right up front here. Not a whole long list of things that I doubt someone coming onto the website would actually be wanting to read. Second thing is rated 9.3 on Hello Peter is massive. I don't know why this Hello Peter rating is all right at the bottom. That should be like the second section where they're actually proving social proof. Then I'm not a fan of the Pineapple stands for pioneer. They've already built up massive brand awareness. And you come on here, now is the time to actually provide clarity in your messaging, provide value, actually showing your prospects what the pain point is and why they should go with Pineapple versus Outsurance versus ABSA. Why should we go with you? It's not really selling the value proposition. It's not telling me why I should even switch from whoever I'm with to Pineapple. It's just not, the value proposition is not being carried through their messaging. That's my major problem. This is an extremely, extremely competitive keyword. ABSA, get a quote in under 5 minutes. Get a quote, 500 Rand or 1,500 in your pocket. Then Old Mutual, then Hippo, and then Pineapple is the first organic result, right? So if I'm Pineapple, get affordable insurance coverage with Pineapple versus get a quote 500 or 1,500 in your pocket versus get a quote in under 5 minutes. Are you guys seeing what I'm talking about? Your value proposition is get a quote in 90 seconds, claim in 30 seconds. Why are you not pushing that? Why are you not pushing that value proposition? Why is that not part of your demand gen strategy? And then the second thing is when you actually look at just on a very surface level, Pineapple Insurance telephone number, phone reviews, and then why is Pineapple Insurance so cheap? Who's the CEO of Pineapple Insurance? What does Pineapple cover? Why are they not targeting these specific keywords? When we go into their website, they don't have an FAQ for why is Pineapple Insurance so cheap? That is obviously a major barrier. They need to address that. Run a campaign around why is Pineapple Insurance so cheap. Second of all, Pineapple Insurance telephone number, phone, telephone. I mean, look at how many times this comes up. 1, 2, 3, 4 times, right? It comes up 4 times. And yet you come on here and over here, there's no phone number. They're prompting you to chat with a live agent. Missed opportunity. Honestly, you hate to see it. Guys, come on. Like this is bread for you. This is something that if I was Pineapple, this is something that I would absolutely do. And then they also have 2,900 Google reviews, massive social proof. Along with your Hello Peter reviews, you should go ahead and throw in your Google reviews here. So yeah, let's just do a quick recap. So clarity in messaging, clarity in your positioning, pushing, get your quote in 90 seconds, get your claim in 30 seconds, pushing those 2 things, and then also pushing how Pineapple Insurance is so cheap. What's the mechanism behind that? You know, they do this kind of peer-to-peer insurance. Why aren't they talking about that a little bit more? Why aren't they talking a little bit more about the fact that you get your premiums back? My main problem is that their differentiation is not coming through in the messaging. Like, this is a massive problem with a lot of startups. But for me, if you've just raised 400 million Rand, this is something that you should fix literally overnight.